Hey, this is Eric over at TechnoRV, and in this video I'm going to tell you everything that comes with your WeBoost Drive X RV when you order it from TechnoRV. So this is a cellular booster that I use personally while out on the road, and I get great results boosting my cellular networks. It works with all cellular carriers, and this is the box that you will get. And this is the box within the box that has all of your components in it. And this is what I want to spend a little bit of time talking about so that you know what you're getting here. So let's go ahead and open this thing up. And one thing I want to point out is that WeBoost has always done a great job with labeling step-by-step type instructions. Like right when you open the box, the first thing I see is steps 1 and 2, and I know that I'm going to grab a particular component, step 3, so forth and so on. So I love that about this. But up here on the top of your box here, you're going to have a little list of what's inside the box, so you're going to need to spend a little time to make sure you got everything you're supposed to get, but I'm going to walk you through that right now. So maybe the first thing you notice here is that you get your user's manual here. So you need to go through that and make sure that you understand everything. This is also a card here on how to register your WeBoost, so you need to make sure that you do that as well. And also keep in mind that you get this user manuals, but whenever you purchase your unit from TechnoRV, you get the TechnoRV Learning Series, and we've got an installation video, and we've also got a document with frequently asked questions and kind of everything you need to know about your kit here and installing it. So let's just go through the box here. I'm just going to go through the steps here. On step 1 and 2, you've got your outside antenna. This is the OTR antenna that you get with this kit. Very rugged, fine with all kinds of weather. There's not going to be any problems there. But this is designed for the abuse of outside, and it is arguably the best antenna that WeBoost offers. That's the OTR antenna. It comes with this kit. So it comes with a little pigtail coax cable here, and then you're going to get more cable to go along with that. In addition, up underneath this outside antenna, you've got some extenders here that you can add to the length of the outside antenna so that you can get more height on this antenna if you would like to do that. If you don't want to use the extenders, you don't have to, but they are available for you if you would like to use them. So that is your antenna scenario there. You're also going to get 25 feet of coax cable. So this is the cable that's going to run from your outside antenna inside your RV to connect to the amplifier. So you've got your 25 feet of coax cable there. You're also going to have some little cable mounts, and basically what this is this is just going to help you to kind of clean your install up a little bit. So as you're running cable maybe across the roof of your RV or something like that, these will help you secure them, and that kind of makes it nice, and that is all included in the kit. Also, you're going to get the ladder mount bracket. So this allows you to mount this vertically or horizontally on a ladder rack, or maybe you have some other way that you would like to mount this, and this mount might be of use to you to do that. So whenever you go to install this unit, it's really every RV is a little different, and we explain this in our installation video, so I won't get too deep into it. But you will be figuring out what is the best way to enter the cable into your RV, and that could be any number of things, from drilling a hole or coming in through some kind of vent. If you choose to drill a hole, this unit actually comes with a bit that is the right size hole that you would need to drill into your RV. So it comes with that, and so that is nice to have there. So let's keep moving through things here. with the mount, you're going to get, it includes a spring mount. So this is going to be nice because let's say you're driving down the road and maybe a tree branch catches your outside antenna. The spring mount is going to allow a little bit of give in that. So that may help you in those type of situations. Making our way through the kit here, we've got the cable entry cover here. And what this is if you choose to drill a hole in your RV to get the cable in, then they actually give you a cable entry cover, which is pretty nice. So you can install this and it'll help you to make sure that it's easier to make it weatherproof by having a cable entry cover. And that is included in the kit. So let's get to the main engine of this thing, and that is the Drive X RV amplifier here. And 50 dB gain power, and it is the most allowed power by the FCC of a vehicle in motion, and WeBoost has got it with their Drive X amplifier. This is the engine that kind of makes everything happen. And you're also going to get a bracket that this will fit into. So you could mount this bracket inside and then just snap this into it. So all that comes with it. Your power supplies for your amplifier here. You get two power supplies. One of them is a standard AC outlet, like just a wall plug that you plug into the wall, plug into that Drive X RV amplifier, and you're going to get power. The other thing that you get with this is a DC power supply, and I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the bag here because I want to show you this. It's a DC power supply, but it comes with two open lead ends, so it doesn't have like a cigarette lighter style plug on the end, although you could install something like that on here if you wanted to. But it is designed to be connected directly into a 12-volt source within your RV. So you get both of those options, the AC and DC power supply, with your Drive X RV unit here. The last thing that we need to talk about here is your inside antenna here. And this is the antenna that is going to sit inside of your RV, and it is going to rebroadcast the boosted signal within your RV. So it's a nice looking little unit. You can set it on a desk, maybe in your common area, and then the cable that comes with it will go and attach to the Drive X amplifier. So that is everything that comes in this unit. And now I just want to briefly give you an overview of, once this is all put together, how these units work. So now that you know everything that comes in the Drive X RV kit by WeBoost, I want to explain just a little bit about how a cellular booster works. And what's going to happen here is you're going to have this outside antenna obviously mounted outside, and it's going to pull in the weak signal from the local cell tower. It'll pull that weak signal in, and it'll bring it inside to where your amplifier is. Your amplifier will be inside of your RV. This amplifier is then going to boost that weak signal. Once it boosts the signal, it's going to run that boosted signal back out into your RV through that little desktop inside antenna. It's going to create a boosted zone within your RV. So it'll boost a zone up to 10 feet. The size of the boosted zone that you can expect to get is really dependent on what that originating signal was in the first place. So if you think kind of like speaking through a megaphone, If you whisper through it, you're not getting much projection, but the louder you begin to speak through it, the more projection you get out of that. And that's kind of the same scenario that you are going to get with the inside antenna. So you'll definitely get that boosted zone there to boost for both cellular data and cellular voice as well. So it does both of those. So that's just a brief explanation of what these cell boosters do and what all you get in this kit. It's a great kit. I use it full time on the road. You can get the Drive X RV at TechnoRV.com. When you order from TechnoRV.com, you also get that learning series to make sure that your install is successful. Hey, if you're looking for more information about cellular boosting, we've got more videos that you can check out. In addition, we've written up a cellular information guide that is pretty much going to tell you everything that you need to know about cellular boosting, and you can sign up for that guide in the description below.